Today guys, we're going to be showing in chapter 6 the best camping spots to rank up. So we need to land at Loot Lake. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
How you been, Dave?
Good. Right. Go down here. Should be a chest in here. So you loot up. Get your loot. And then we'll show you the hiding spot is. Okay, now we're going to show you where the hiding spot is. So you want to head down here. So come on this.
No, it's this way, And then you want to climb up here.
As a kid. And then you go, and then you spam jump.
Mantle.
There we go.
Yeah, and then
Nobody can see you. Go.
And then break this.
And then you have a free spot.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.